Hi, I wanted to talk to you today about a new wig that I just received in the mail from UniWigs. It's called Marigold, and I'm going to start first by showing you how to measure your head. Before you order a wig, it's real important to know what size head you have. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You just go around the outside. This would be the circumference. It's measuring 20 and a half. And then if I go from ear to ear, about 11 and a half. And if I go from the top of my head to the nape, we'll just call it 12. And then my face, from my hairline to the chin, 8¼ inches. And then my neck, 4 inches. So yeah, those are the basic measurements. The cap that I received from UniWigs, the Marigold, seems like an average size cap. It fits me pretty well. I've got a little room to spare. The beautiful lace front, you can't even tell really that you're wearing a wig. It's very good quality lace, and the knots are not that noticeable. So when it came, I did wash it and let it air dry. It dried in a nice slightly wavy pattern. And then for this one, I wanted to try curling it with my curling wand. So let me go grab that. I just put a little bit of this into my spray bottle so it's mostly distilled water, and then I have a little bit of the hair you wear in there. I can post a picture of that. And then I use this curl cream, and that's just from like Marshall's. But it gives moisture to the human hair. And when I do it, I wrap the hair upside down. So let's go ahead and put the wig on, and I'll show you what that looks like. I am doing a right side part because I can, and I always used to part my hair on the right with my bio hair. And here's what it looks like on. So again, I just took the curling iron, and with it on my canvas stand, I just put the hair up. I'll post a picture of that too. Use it in about 1/2 inch to 1 inch sections, and then wrap it around like that, the hair shaft till the end. And then I took a little comb to break up the curls a little bit, and that's it. I'll do a spin for you. I love that this one is shorter, because a lot of the human hair wigs, you look at them and they're so long and flowing, and I've just never had hair like that, so it feels very unnatural to me. This feels real natural, and this is a 14-inch length Remy human hair, and we've got the nice lace top, and again, you can barely even see the knots on it at all. We've got the pressure sensitive clips here. I do have gray bio hair that shows at the side, no problem, and just snap those on there. If I wanted to, I could easily do like a 1/2 up, 1/2 down, like that. I could even do like a little ponytail. Perfect. It's so soft, and it's just a really nice density. But yeah, loving this one. Marigold by UniWigs. Check it out.